And when have you given an example of a time that you had collaborative and the outcome for the children was so much better than if they had gone to trial?
Absolutely. I can think of one in particular where there were a lot of concerns by my client regarding safety issues, and alcoholism was something that we needed to address as well. And we were able to craft, with the help of the mental health professional who served as the neutral facilitator, a parenting plan that included safety protocols within the parenting plan. And it was very specific, very detailed, and it allowed for the parent that had some concerns about the safety issues of these really, really small children to feel comfortable. And it held the other parent accountable to say, okay, these are the parameters. I'm going to abide by the parameters and we're going to work together for the sake of the kids. That is something that I do not see in my years of litigating in court a judge doing. A lot of times it's, okay, well, the parent will have to do AA meeting or have to follow a specific case plan, and then we'll come back and, it'll be a typical, I don't know, 50-50. They oftentimes say nothing's really 50-50, but a time sharing schedule where certain days the children will be with mom, but we would never address safety protocols in a parenting plan. So that's an example of the specific and detailed nature that it can get in a collaborative process.
Yeah, I can also think of a good example too. Sometimes new living arrangements and the parties to the divorce now having new partners, new families, and how do the children then assimilate into another family, living with new siblings, a new their father or mother's new partner. Those are not issues that would really be discussed or addressed at all in a litigation. Certainly not, unless there was some sort of an issue of an order of protection or some real serious CPS type of an issue. Typically, that's not something that would be discussed, but it's something that's very important to that family for both of those parties to know how to navigate and help their children navigate that new life in a healthy manner. And that's something that we could use the professional team to help this family work through in a collaborative case that we wouldn't even address in a litigation.